Hey everybody, Nicole Green here. Most of you know that I become part-time with my job as a hairstylist about a month ago, and I take off on Mondays and Fridays. Well, today's Friday and it's the end of month, and I'm constantly praying for my business and for my team, and some things come to me the other day. I had a party scheduled for this afternoon, but she had to cancel because her and her children were sick. So I was thinking all night, well, what am I going to do? Like, that was my biggest plan, was the party, and I wasn't going to be working. I had the whole day off, and my decision when I went part-time was to spend Fridays doing at work. So I could have stayed home and just done some things online, but I was like, you know what? I need to get out there. I'm praying for God to bless my business and to lead, guide, and direct me. And I can't just sit around saying, well, it'll come, in His time. And it will come in His time. But I have to do my part too. I can't just post on Facebook and, just sit around doing this and doing that. And I do talk about it with my customers at work and my friends, and I do have wrap parties, but I need to get out and blitz. I need to spend this day blitzing with people, whoever checks me out. I'm going to go to Fayetteville, Arkansas today, and I'm going to go to the mall and some of the stores. I have my wraps with me. I'm going to put them in my purse. I got my blitz cards ready, and I'm going to blitz as many people as I can today. I will wrap them in the bathroom if they want me to. Just anything I can do. And most of you know, or my close friends know, that I don't really like doing stuff by myself. So today, Tanya usually takes off on Fridays with me, but she went ahead and scheduled some appointments since our party was canceled. So I was still thinking, what am I going to do? And I decided, hey, I'm just going to go by myself. I can't just do everything with somebody all the time. So I really feel like today God wants me to get out there, put myself out there, face some of my fears by doing things alone. And so what I'm doing today is facing my fears. I'm driving, which is about an hour and a half from where I live, so that I can get the word spread out there. Fayetteville's pretty good size. We go to Fort Smith and Russellville a lot, so I thought, hey, I'm going to do this. I'm going to drive, and I'm going to blitz, and I'm going to pray that God gives me favor and helps me with my journey today. Thank you guys. Have a great day.